Happy World Chocolate Day. Today we are diving into the incredible story of chocolate, a treat that has traveled continents, shaped cultures and brought joy to people for thousands of years. Chocolate's journey began over 5,000 years ago in the lush rainforests of the upper Amazon. Here, the Mayo Chinchipe people first discovered the wonders of the cacao bean. As time passed, the Olmecs, Mayans and Aztecs of Central America embraced chocolate, transforming it from a simple bean into something truly special. For these ancient civilizations, chocolate was more than just food. It was a symbol of status, used in sacred rituals and even traded as currency. When Spanish explorers arrived in the Americas, they were captivated by this mysterious drink. They brought cacao back to Europe in the 1500s, where it quickly became a sensation among royalty and the elite. Over the centuries, chocolate evolved from a bitter ceremonial beverage into the sweet, creamy treat we know and love today. But despite its rich history, chocolate often gets a bad reputation for being unhealthy. Let's set the record straight. Chocolate itself, especially dark chocolate, is packed with antioxidants and essential minerals like magnesium and iron. Research shows that when enjoyed in moderation, chocolate can help lower blood pressure, support heart health, and even improve your mood. So where does this unhealthy label come from? The real issue is not chocolate. It's the sugar that's often added to it. Most commercial chocolates are loaded with sugar, which is what leads to most health concerns. By choosing dark chocolate with a higher cocoa content, you're getting more of the beneficial compounds and less sugar, making it a much smarter choice. Chocolate comes in many delicious varieties, each with its own story. Dark chocolate, with its rich and bold flavor, traces its roots back to Central and South America, where the first cacao was cultivated. Milk chocolate, which offers a creamy and sweet experience, was perfected in Switzerland, bringing a new level of smoothness to the world of chocolate. Then there's white chocolate, made from cocoa butter, sugar and milk solids, known for its delicate and velvety taste. Here in India, we're spoiled for choice with some of the world's most beloved chocolate brands. Cadbury, originally from the United Kingdom, has become a household name across the country with favorites like Dairy Milk and Silk. Nestle is a Swiss brand which delights us with Kit Kat and Munch. Amul is India's very own homegrown brand that brings the taste of Indian chocolate to millions, while Ferrero Rocher from Italy is a symbol of luxury and celebration. Each of these brands carries with it a unique legacy and a story that spans continents. So as you indulge in your favorite chocolate today, remember, you're not just enjoying a sweet treat, but also connecting with a rich history, a world of flavors and a tradition that brings people together. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of chocolate, don't forget to like, share and follow for more such delicious stories and fascinating facts.